If you want to set up automations on Google Pixel 11, first you want to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're going to scroll down a little bit, and you need to find the System option. Now over here in System Settings, you should be able to find the Rules option, so we're going to go over here. Now, here we should be able to create a rule, and also we have the option to allow our phone to automatically suggest rules based on the changes that you make in Settings. But in my case, I'm just going to tap on Add Rule option in here. I guess we need to tap on Next over here and tap on Allow. And you might also need to allow location for rules actually to be able to add it. There we go. So now we should be able to add Wi-Fi network or location to the rule. So unfortunately, rules can be created based on only those two things. So it is indeed very limited compared to, for example, the routines that we have on Samsung Galaxy smartphones. But still, you can of course use one of these two options to manage that. Let's say I'm going to choose the network that I'm currently connected to. And when I connect to that network, I can choose what should happen. I can, for example, toggle DND mode. I can set my phone to be silent, to use the vibrate mode, or to activate the ring mode. And also we can receive a notification once that rule is, of course, implemented, when it actually starts. So now we're just going to tap on Add, and there we go, the rule has been added. If you want to, you can still tap on that rule in order to edit the rule. And if you no longer need it, then you have the trash icon or bin icon, so you can use it to delete the created rule. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.